Today we're going to be testing the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus with the Snapdragon 855 with the OnePlus 7 Pro, also with the Snapdragon 855. So let's get started. Okay, and we're off. We have the S10 Plus on the left-hand side, and then we have two OnePlus 7 Pros on the right-hand side in different screen resolutions to see how that affects the overall performance, and an early lead already by the two devices running in full HD. The OnePlus 7 Pro running in Quad HD is slightly behind. Let's see who gets into the bloom test first. It was the S10 Plus, so an early lead there now by the S10 Plus. Let's see what happens when we get to the SQLite test. This really could be the make or break of this entire test. And there we go, the S10 Plus, as normal, absolutely blindingly through that test. The other two here, look at that, slightly faster there on the full HD version of the OnePlus 7 Pro, I think, but all three devices are now into the 3D Cube test. As I said that, the S10 Plus went into the 2D game test. So this will be interesting, particularly when we get to the Unity test. We have to remember that the device in the middle is pushing many more pixels than the other two devices, and we're into the thread test, and I think the S10 Plus is going to get into the Unity test first. It has done so, and here we go, and we've seen this before. Obviously the Snapdragon 855 with the nice Adreno GPU unit there is very smooth, and the other two devices looking pretty smooth here. But as I said, remember the OnePlus 7 Pro there in the middle is running at Quad HD Plus. That gives it a screen resolution of 3120 by 1440 compared to 2336 by 1080 for the full HD one. And there we go, the S10 Plus is into the compression test, 678, but so is it the OnePlus 7 Pro at full HD. There it goes, 1 minute and 32.7 seconds, 1 minute and 33.7 seconds on the right hand side, and here in the middle, 8, 9, 10, there we go, 1 minute and 40. So let's break down those numbers a bit and see what's going on here. Okay, so as we expected, the device running in Quad HD came in last, and just to say that Quad HD is the default resolution for the OnePlus 7 Pro, whereas Full HD Plus is the default resolution for the S10 Plus. And we can see here that the CPU time for the S10 Plus was much better than the other two, 22.7 seconds compared to 26.1 and 26.8, and I'm pretty sure most of that comes down to the SQLite test, which was blazingly fast on the S10 Plus. Then the mixed time on all three devices roughly the same, 38.2, 39.8 and 38.3. And then when we get to the GPU, actually the fastest was the OnePlus 7 Pro running in full HD with 28.5, then came in the S10 Plus with 31.7, and finally pushing many more pixels, the OnePlus 7 Pro in its native Quad HD Plus at 34.1 seconds. Okay, there you have it. My name is Gary Sims. This is Gary Explains. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do like and subscribe. And well, that's it. I'll see you in the next one.